Natural gas stayed bearish for the last week. It failed to break past on the upside towards 2.9 levels and on the downside 2.6 again 2.662 levels again proven out to be a great support. Yes, it is still shying away from the triple bottom levels at 2.48 and it is also yielding higher lows, higher highs at the same time. So what to expect next week from natural gas? Is it going to continue on the upside or we can expect a fall from here on the downside? Which position you should take trading natural gas next week? We will see with the help of charts followed with indicators, and towards the end I will give you the trading levels to trade for and also will share my complete summary of the observations throughout this analysis. So do watch till your every action, every like, every comment, every share and subscribe is a great support, great motivation, great inspiration for me to deliver on time every time, day on day, with consistency, with accuracy, and twice a day I share my analysis. And hence press the bell icon to stay tuned with the latest updates. Yes, you can also get the live updates by joining my free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the weekly charts. You will find, see, natural gas is trading in this channel here. Support is here, very strong support is here at 2.48, 2.5 levels. In any case, these levels need not to be breached. Once it stays below 2.48, 2.5 zone is where the bears will take over in NatGas. I do not see it breaking below those levels, first of all. Now, second observation on the weekly charts is, see, it has yielded lower highs, higher lows. It has consolidated its position. And yes, any break below 2.6, yes, you can initiate a sell entry below 2.6 levels. However, remember there are greater supports at 2.55, 2.5 and 2.48 levels. And till the time it respects 2.48, we should not treat net gas as bearish. And I do not see it breaking below 2.48. That is also an equally important observation. Next is, now remember previously we have seen 2.76 as a great resistance. Then beyond to, now see, it has to break past 2.76 and then once it stays beyond 2.76 we have to see it staying above 2.9 levels. So these are the two levels which net gas needs to breach. Once it stays above 2.9, certainly we can expect it to hit $3 levels again. Yes, there is a very strong probability for it to achieve those levels again in the forthcoming weeks here. Another point to note here is, see, it has achieved 3.05 levels this month, which is also a double top level for the near term, which we have to be watchful of. At the same time, one must not forget that it is still staying in the bullish channel. So this is something on the weekly charts. Let's observe on the daily charts. What does the daily charts are saying? Now remember, on the daily charts we have seen net gas, see, after forming the bottom here, see, rise, retracement to 2.4 2.1 levels, then higher highs, then retracement to 2.2, then higher highs, retracement here till 2.0 2.48 levels. And see, it has formed a good bottom, good base here. You can find out multiple candles getting reversed from the same levels. Another observation on the daily charts is the good bullish flag formation here. After the flag formation, it has given a breakout. See, we have predicted $3 levels uh, long back. We have been targeting $3 levels. It has achieved those levels. Now look at the daily charts more closely. After this breakout, what it has done so far is another flag formation is going on here. So it is right now staying in this bearish flag. I will wait for a breakout about 2.9 levels, which will confirm the reversal here. Right now it is staying bearish. Also, if you look at the last couple of candles, lower highs, lower lows, it has yielded. And certainly this increases chance because, see, one green candle, another red candle, probably it can continue its downturn or achieve 2.6 levels, which is definitely a good great support. In fact, you can expect it to hit these levels, that is 2.5, 2.48, form another bottom there before reversing. There is a probability for it. So you have to watch out. If you see it trading below 2.64 next week, 2.6465, you can sell. However, 2.6 is the ultimate support which I will be looking forward to. Any break below 2.6 is where the bears will try to take over for a little while. And then 2.55, 2.5 and 48 levels will come into picture. Now see, what will happen here is, after this, see, the bearishness is diminished here, that is for sure. See, this is strong bearish candles and now it is trying to trade in this. What will happen? Possibly it will try to create a base here at around these levels, and from this level it will try to recover. Now on the upside, it has to break past 2.76, which is a great resistance here. Once it stays above 2.76, we can expect more bullish ness here where we can see a complete reversal and we can expect net gas to break past 2.9 and $3 levels again. So this is something which you can expect. Also on the daily chart, one must note that it is, if you draw a parallel here, if you consider 2.6 at the bottom, it can try to reverse from here and continue its upward journey. Now see more closely, you will find lows, higher highs, lows. So possibly higher highs are very much likely and very much possible. Now that's on the daily charts. Coming to the monthly, on the monthly charts, see, uh, this candle I still expect to stay green, stay bullish, and I still expect it to close in green. Now, see, it has achieved the highs, it has achieved the double top levels for the recent future or near future, and it is trading in this bullish channel. The bottom of this channel now, if it stays below 2.4, is far below at around 2.3, 2.2 zone, which is going to be the greatest support here on the monthly charts. Now look what has happened this month. It has formed a double bottom and it has since then seen a rise here. Now I will definitely observe how it behaves at around these levels. See, precisely this is the point 2.66, 2.69 is where the month has started for NatGas, and then it has achieved higher highs. Now see what it has done so far. Those who are carrying the uh, because see, derivative traders take a position and then try to hold it without booking profit. So what it has done, after achieving the highs, first of all, it has reduced the call options or call derivatives or put derivatives here. It has reduced the price to zero for the put derivatives. Now after achieving the highs, it is now reducing the prices of the call options or the derivatives here. So this is what it is trying to do right now. And now once it stays, see, 2.8 is the next milestone. Beyond that, 2.92 and then 3.05. So three milestones are there for NatGas to break past by. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators. What are the indicators are suggesting? If you look at the monthly chart, see, moving averages are on the verge of a crossover. $4 levels are certainly achievable. It is going to achieve these levels sooner or later, maybe in next couple of months or so. We are going to look at $4 levels definitely. But right now it is trying to consolidate a bit. Stochastic is rising here. See, it has seen a vertical rise on the monthly charts. The MACD. Now look at MACD. See, this has seen sharp bearishness here. It was trading with a fat belly here, and hence it has to converge, which suggests we can expect further more greener candles in the coming future. See, this crossover has almost happened at a lower levels which we have seen in last 10 years on MACD. RSI is also trading flat and right now not indicative of anything. Coming to the weekly chart. Now on the weekly chart, see, the 20 period moving averages have start to converge here. This is a good sign for NatGas in the near future. And right now the see, prices were too much divergent from the moving averages. It has converged here now. It is looking forward to the next milestone. So it is still going to stay bullish. Only thing is the time it is going to take. Yes, there is a gap also which needs to be filled at around 4.4, 4.3 zone, and this is also the 50-100 period moving average which is going to give it a maximum resistance. So we are still having a lot much of a up move left for NatGas. Only thing is the time which it is going to take, that is what we need to look at right now. It is beautifully staying and swinging within this channel here. The breakout, whenever it comes, it is going to be a sharp breakout. Stochastic flat, MACD. Now see, on the MACD it is still trading flat and trading with bullishness here. Now this is coming after a sharp bearish run, and see, the candles are too much divergent. It is trying to converge a bit, and hence that is why we can see a red candle here. However, it has still got lot much of room for it to continue on the upside on the weekly charts. RSI is also rising here. Coming to the daily chart. Now look at the daily chart. See, the movement is between 20, 50, 100 period moving average only. It is trying to restrict its movement within this zone. It tried to break out, but failing to do so, it is again got a pullback. Now on the upside, 2.7 to 2.76 zone is where we have the maximum resistance from the 20 period moving average. This is an exponential moving average beyond which certainly we can see it reversing and trying to trade bullish again. Stochastic back to oversold levels. The MACD has again crossed over for sell. Let's see if it continues. If not, possibly it can see, that's why the fat belly here. So it has converged. Possibly it can try to yield couple of red candles before reversing again. Remember what we have seen here. It is always converge from these levels and try to cross over. So let's see if it yields couple of red candles on the daily charts before showing a strong pullback, which suggests that even if it tries to drop on the downside, I do not see it breaking 2.48 level soon, and only below 2.48 is where the bearishness will be seen. Till 2.48 levels, or as long as 2.48 is respected, we can see a bounce back. RSI is dropping here again. Now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategy for you. And before that, let me summarize. And before I summarize, I have to share a couple of offerings for you. First is my mentorship batch. The 25th batch is going to start in first week of September. Only limited seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. Remember, equip yourself with the right tools, techniques, and strategies so that you can trade profitably, identify profitable trades, and trade efficiently. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. And also, you can be part of my signals group where trading as per the signals you can definitely benefit. Now, with that, first let's talk about the levels to buy. I will recommend you to buy here at 2.68 itself. You can buy at 2.68, wait for 2.72 and then 2.76 levels. Now, this is going to be critical. Once it stays above this, only you can say that we are looking forward to a further bullish move for 2.8. Staying beyond 2.8 directly, we can say that it is going to hit 2.9 levels. Now, these are critical levels here. 2.76, 2.8 zone. This is going to remain definitely critical zone for NatGas, above which certainly we can expect further bullishness, and beyond 2.9 is where the bulls will try to take over. We can see it hitting $3 levels in this month itself. And then sky is the limit. We have a target of $4 in the near future, and this can achieve it very soon, maybe in, because see, once it gives a breakout of the channel, bullish breakout out of the channel, certainly it is going to expedite or fasten its movement on the upside. So be careful there. On the downside now, first, now let's have a look where to sell. See, you can sell here at 2.64, but then 2.62, 2.6 nearby support levels. I cannot avoid it. I have to mention all the supports which definitely prove out to be a great level for you all to watch out, and hence watch out for 2.6. Below 2.6 is where more bearishness is going to prevail for 2.55, 2.5 and 2.48. Now this is the zone. It should not break in any case. Wherever we see it breaking below 2.48 is where more bearishness will be seen, and we can look forward to 2.4, 2.3 levels. Chances for it to break below this zone are less. Retracement, even in fact, I do not see it breaking below 2.6, but yes, if it tries to do that, we can expect it getting support, very stronger support in between 2.55, 2.56 zone, and then ultimately 2.48 level. I do not see it breaking 2.48 levels in any case. So this is my expectation, and see, I am not the one who run markets, and hence you have to be careful. You have to just note that possibility exists that even if it tries to drop, it is going to show a very strong bounce back. So you should take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, and do watch the daily analysis for more details on the daily movements of NatGas, and adjust your positions accordingly. Trade accordingly. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, join my free Telegram channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. Thank you.